no idea how to start this video, so...
Okay, so it's been 2 weeks since I shaved my undercut down, and I'm gonna dye my undercut, bleach it, kind of like lighten it, and then I'm gonna put some colour on it as well as the rest of my hair. So we're gonna do it. Before I actually put the colour on the undercut, I'm just gonna put some treatment in. I've had them in protective styles. I'm gonna use my Shui and my roots. Okay, so this is my hair. It is very grown out from the roots. I got them done like February. Now it's grown up quite a lot and I do kind of need it done, but obviously lockdown and I am way too afraid to bleach my roots myself. This is what we're working with. So I had it with Crazy Colour and Bleach London dye, Crazy Colour Ruby Red, and then I used the Aubergine Dream purple from Bleach London to kind of like give it like a really interesting red purpley look. Say hi. Say hello. Today I'm using basically what I have in my house because I was going to buy some bleach, but I thought I've got some hair dye in my house already, which is blonde. So I'm using the Dark and Lovely Fade Resistant Golden Blonde. I need glasses clearly. So I'm just using that only on my undercut just to lighten it before I put like some strong colour on top of it. The actual rainbow colours, I've got a box of Directions hair dye. The ones that I have are, I've got Poppy Red, Plum, Dark Tulip, which is like a reddish or more reddish purple, and then I've got Midnight Blue. I'm kind of thinking red, purple, blue. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting some roots in my hair, which is basically a Lush hair treatment. Just because I like to put that on my scalp just to be nice and stimulating in general, for promoting like hair growth and keeping your hair nice and healthy. So you've got like lots of like 3 different types of mint in there, so neroli, orange blossom, that sort of stuff, keeping it nice and fresh. I'm going to put that in now. So I've just done this section first. I put the roots in the roots, and now I'm going to be using the Lush for the rest of my hair. You've got lots of really nice protein based stuff, so like Aquaphar, which is basically vegan protein from chickpea water. You've got the avocados, you've got a bay leaf infusion, so it's really nice and strengthening and stimulating as well into the ends of my hair. And then I'm going to keep doing that for the rest of my hair. So okay, so this is all the dog. This is all of the hair treatment, not all of it, but a lot of the hair treatment in my hair, and I'm gonna leave that in and tie that up now, and start preparing to dye my undercut, lighten it. The reason I put this in now is because I'm not like other people. I have to fully go in the shower when I wash my hair, so it's gonna be very clean at the end of the day, which is never a bad thing. So so much hair. So okay, so it's actually been an hour now. So I had it originally in for half an hour and then I washed it out and then put some more back in. So I'm gonna wash it out now. Okay, so I just washed my hair. I washed the treatment out and obviously the lightener. So I've just been massaging the Lush Stadio shampoo into it just to kind of remove any yellow brassy tones, because that is the opposite. Purple is the opposite of yellow, to kind of counteract and kind of tone it out a bit. So I'm gonna leave that in for about like 5 to 10 minutes. And this is how the result I got from the Stadio. So I'm gonna go ahead and start colouring my hair. I'm just going to start off by putting my hair into 4 different sections and then kind of work from the back forward. some dark Tulip now. Next is Plum, so I'm going to pop that on next and then smush that into it. That is Midnight Blue, so I'm just going to do the same again. I've done this section now and I'm going to do the same in every section obviously, and then afterwards I'm going to start colouring the undercut and then leave it for a bit. Okay, so I gave up on gloves, but this is what I've got so far on my curls, and I'm going to tie this up so I can do my undercut now. So I just put some on my undercut, and I don't know if it's going to work, kind of just smushed in whatever and tried to use the brush and blend it up a little bit. My hands are still purple. Anyway, I'm going to leave this in for a bit and then I'll wash it out. So I've just finished washing the dye out, but I will show you guys what it looks like tomorrow after drying and protective styling. Yeah. Okay, so I've just woken up and there's my undercut. It's okay, but I just want to blend it out a little bit more, so I'm just going to top up a little bit. Okay, so I've just done the second coat now, so this is what it looks like, and I used my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Cream Activator in my hair and my Blue Magic Argan Oil Mango Lime Leave-In Conditioner to do some braids, protect my hair overnight and allow it to air dry. So I'm going to take those out and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is the final result after taking my hair out and my makeup. So I just did it like kind of inspired by the colours of my hair. No blue really, that didn't really come out as much, but I'm liking it anyway and I'm really happy with the results. Yeah, so I might do another video in the future about how I maintain the colour and the curls, but yeah, have a great day. Yeah, so this is the final look now, and I'm happy, but I'm missing the blue, which is a shame. Oh my god, Scooby! Scooby, no!